Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Grandpa's channel. Today we're going to be talking about open bionics. Basically, the latest technology. Now open bionics is merging AI with bionics. And that is extremely exciting because it means that they can do more and more and more with these artificial limbs or substitute figures or whatever it happens to be that they're doing. So let's look at one of their ads real quick so that we can get a feel of what is going on, and let's talk about it. Well, I want to tell you, they have gone to the next level. First they made their 3D printed arms, and they were light, and they could be easily remanufactured using a 3D printer so that, kids who are growing, as their arm was growing, they obviously constantly needed new arms. And at $20,000 on the average for an artificial arm, that is very prohibitive. And unless your insurance is going to cover it, it's insane. The other problem, of course, you have veterans coming home who've got all kinds of situations. They've had fingers blown off and things like that. And we're going to look at some of the products that they have. So let's look at some of the innovations. I'm going to show you one of their videos. They can do a better job than I can. And we'll talk about what this all means for us today. If that is not insane enough. I mean, we went from the 1900s where basically a person can get a hook to cover their arm so they could have something to pick things up. Then we had a little mechanical device that went on your arm. And basically it was one or two hooks and you basically had a hand. Then eventually they went to a hand. But now not only has Open Bionics, solved the problem with the cost and 3D printing, but now they realize that people want the ability to change out the limb to be able to do multiple functions. And that is what they've done here. As you can see, now a person can get multiple attachments, which can be 3D printed, which is really insane, at a lower cost. But that's not the end of it. Now, with AI and with Bluetooth, the limbs can be remote controlled. Let's take a look at that. This one blew my mind. I gotta tell you, I was like, they did what? Not only are they Bluetooth enabled, but you can disconnect them and remote control your limbs. That is crazy. Really, really crazy. That means you can control your limbs wherever you want them to be. Oh boy. Hey, thanks for watching so far. I hope you've enjoyed the content so far. If I haven't asked you already, please don't forget to give us a like. It doesn't hurt anything. It helps get the algorithm to love us. Don't forget to share this so other people can enjoy this content. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button so you know next time I'm on. The last piece that we're going to be finishing up on is their gauntlet. The gauntlet is basically an hand attachment that uses the same technology. So if you've lost a couple fingers, but you don't need a whole device, you can put that on, and now be able to have a hand. And same technology, it's remote controlled. It's great. The technology has just been advancing. And of course, Open Bionics isn't the only company that's advancing in this, but the Open Bionics is the company that made it inexpensive. By using 3D printing, it allows them to change the casing or whatever else and make the parts less expensive. That makes this great, especially when you have families who don't have insurance or can't afford the constant wear and tear on an artificial limb. Anyway, don't forget to check out my other videos, my other tech reviews. Until next time, this is your Grandpa KC. Love to hear from you. Put it in the comments if you enjoyed this information. And if you have one of these, let us know about it. Have a great day.